Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this, it's a flooser. It's a fold flat juicer. So we're gonna give this thing a try and see how it kind of works and what it does, if I can get it out of the box. I've used something similar before. So this is the way it kind of works like that. You can see, you'll put your fruit in there, and then as you squeeze it, it totally compresses it down, and then it comes out the little area down there, and I guess that traps the seeds and everything too. So we're gonna give it a try. We have a glass here. We have a couple of ridiculously small oranges. We're gonna give them a try. I guess you're supposed to cut it. I don't even know. But okay, let's try it here. So here is my juicer. I'm gonna put it right there. And then I will close it up. And look at that. Can you guys see it's dripping out of there? And there it is. So there, I've totally squished it. Let me open it up and see what it looks like here. Did pretty good. Let me try flipping it around that sideways out here, the other side. It's a tiny little orange. I could probably stick 2 of them in there and it would do it. But let me see, let's stick the other side in there. Yeah, there we go. So now we've juiced it. What happens if I stick them both in there at the same time? Might need that double whammy. So there we go. So we got some juice out of this here, and then I can just dump it out. So there we go. So how cool is that? Nice little thing. You know what? I didn't clean it first, so I'm not going to drink it. But you can see, made some juice, and out of a little old tangerine or whatever that's called, a mandarin orange. So I'm going to say this thing is a nice little device, the flooser. Fold flat, easy juicer. It does fold flat, so it makes it easy to store. So I like it. Thumbs up.